Yo, what is up guys? This is going to be a real quick video. I just had to make it because I am shooketh. So I've owned the Integra for 5 years now. That's no small amount of time, half a decade. And there has been one really annoying, albeit manageable issue with this car since the day I bought it. And that is this door. So this door never sat flush with the body, no matter how tight you close it or whatever. There's always this gap. And you know, on its own, that's really no big deal. The door can still close, it can still lock. It's not like it flings open at random times or anything like that. The car just thinks the door is open. So the dome light will pop on when I'm driving, and sometimes when I'm walking away from the car and locking it, I have to go back and press the door in properly so that it'll lock properly. You know, these are annoying issues. They're not terrible though. I can live with them. The biggest issue, however, is the alarm. So when the doors, you know, eventually flicks to that open position, which can be at any time, at any place, the alarm will trigger. And you know, I could just be chilling with my mates and I'll be hearing my alarm go off. I'll be annoying the neighbors. I'm at the gym working out. Of course, I hear my alarm going off in the car park. I'm at uni walking back to my car, and that signature sound of the Integra's door not being shut properly will be echoing through the entire place. It's embarrassing, it's not fun, but it's something I've lived with. I just assumed that because it's such an annoying issue, if it was an easy fix, the previous owners would have done it. So I went straight to worst case scenario. I thought the door might have been bent and not properly repaired, or that I'd have to remove heaps of stuff to try and get it to sit flush. I thought maybe even the car was somehow a little bent along the rail or something. I thought it was going to be a big job, and I was prepared to buy a whole new door, paint it, reskin the whole thing, you know, windows, door cards, switches, wiring looms, the whole lot. And I'm so glad I didn't, because boys, I think I found the fix. I didn't believe it at first, and you know, looking back on it, I really should have tried this earlier. I just didn't realize it could be this easy. But I'm gonna show you what it takes to fix this really annoying issue that has hounded me for the past half decade. Flush. Unreal. Unbelievable. And yeah, that was there before I got the car, guys, don't worry. I can't believe it. That's all it was. 2 screws and like 30 seconds of my time. I am over the moon, and I just can't believe I hadn't thought of something so simple earlier. I'd just gone straight to thinking the worst and assuming that it would take a lot more than that. If you have the same issue, that's all it could be. And if you have something that seems like it could be a big issue, who knows, the fix could be really simple. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. I hope you're all doing well out there. I will catch you on the next video.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.